Guys, we are here at the Wright Mowers booth. GIE inside, looking at the standard ZK 72-inch deck. When I did my standard comparison, I actually used the standard X, this exact one right here. JD Tractor and I are checking out the ZK. Actually just talked to Judith Ross from Wright Manufacturing, who was the one to help set up the demo. That's her over there. Here. So Judith Ross is trying to convince me that the Wright ZK is going to be a better mower for me to demo, and I'm willing to give her a chance, mostly because she explained the Wright advantage of what Wright has been doing with stand-ons, and I really appreciate her taking the time, even though in the comparison I did pick the Z-Ride over the standard X. So I think ZK may be in my future, and she actually did invite us to tour the Wright plant, so I think I might try to do that and film some of that as well. So if you guys would be interested in seeing that, let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, she said the ZK would be available in a 52-inch deck with a Kawasaki engine, which would what I would want. So for doing my residential yards, I think it would be a very powerful combination.
This is just the throttle and the speed are just all in one.
Really?
I'm at like some sort of like RC car show.
This is crazy.
How do the controls feel versus like a hydro? Are they a little more sensitive?
Very responsive. I'd say they are a little more sensitive.
Interesting.
Could be just the machine is new.
Well, keep her going, Buck. I'd love to see that stripe with how crooked he just went.
Yeah, I was having trouble.
Our drunk man put down them stripes.
I was having trouble with that. It's probably because the controls are so sensitive.
Yeah, exactly.
That every little movement. But
see, here's the thing for me. I'm extremely like sensitive to like rattles and squeaks and stuff like that. And since there's no engine noise here, I can hear everything. So I can go paranoid when something's braking all the time. Yeah. But that's just me because I'm weird.
It also has engine trim.
Engine trim?
Like gain on either side.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Huh. Wrong way.
That was very interesting.
Oh, somebody went the wrong way.
That one has a blower built in on it.
It does. That's really cool. So what do you think, Will?
Controls on the 0 trigger shit.
Are they?
Sensitive?
They just have a lag on it, you know?
Lag?
Yeah.
You have to move the controls.
Watch this in my room.
You have to move the controls a lot to do anything?
Yeah. And see, look. He's going, whoa, you know?
Yeah.
I'm going right where you're going, Spencer. Oh, boy.
Well, I guarantee you won't do that with one of these.
Nope.
I want to see what this steering trim is about.
That's crazy, guys. It just felt like I was using a regular old walk behind. It just made no noise, and that's really cool.
Do you think there's any learning curve as far as running an electric one versus a hydro?
If you've run a hydro like ECS or Skag or John Deere equivalent, I mean, like you're gonna get on this thing, and it's gonna take you probably like 10 minutes, and you've got it.
I have the steering trim on towards the left, and so when I pull back
I
the
see.
same force, you'll see it'll kick more back towards the right.
So you can tune the motors, basically.
Yeah.
That's really neat.
Yes.
Damn
Yes.
Swearing is PC.
Swearing is caring.
Practice communism every day.
And here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Here is Mr. Joe Mills on the Bobcat T650, going to screw it up.
You're recording?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Say hi.
Hi, Mom!
I think Joe's gonna have buckets of fun with this zero turn. Zero turn? Same concept.
Yeah.
Skid turn. Zero steer.
I think that guy needs to tread lightly.
Give him some good rules.
Give him some good rules.
New rules, I guess. Huh?
Rule number 1, don't suck. Rule number 2,
There are no rules.
there are no rules. Rule number 3, safety third.
Rule number 4. If anybody sees Kevin's wallet, can you please return it?
That's not my wallet.
That's not my wallet.
He's got the machine running, folks. He's off to a good start.
Oh shit, I'm late for plant path.
Uh-oh. Oh dear.
Odor?
Oh man, I missed my finance exam. And he's off. To a standing start. I think Joe's gonna
Welcome to Bonanza.
I think Joe's gonna be flattening out the competition with that grade.
See, that's how Joe gets his job done. He plays dirty.
Plays dirty.
Yeah.
Look at the flick of that wrist. Man. He's got to get in this thing and just yeet. Bobcat is professional grade for homeowners.
That's a lot of damage.
To show you the power of flex tape, I sawed this Bobcat in half.
Wait, what?
And repaired it with only flex tape.
It doesn't start. No shit, Sherlock.
As long as Joe doesn't track any mud inside, I think we'll be okay. Oh, he's spinning, folks.
Spinning and grinning. He's hacking and whacking and smacking.
I hear if you do burnouts in the mud, you get extra points.
Oh, fuck it. Shit.
Oh man, he's got that flip down.
Ooh, look at that. Oh, you gonna smack it? No.
Oh yes.
I want to spank that dirt.
Spank it.
Hit it green and spank it like a disobedient avocado.
An avocado! Thanks! What if they ever found anything digging in here? Like ancient ruins. Oh, here we go, he's spinning again. Yeah, who knows? That would be something.
Get banned.
No, not good.
Get banned, get banned, get banned, get banned. Bobcat boogie. Diddle, diddle. The legend.
Every now and then
Joseph
I get
Mills.
A little bit closer. Turn around. Now this is shit posting.
YouTube poop. Joe Mills drives a Bobcat.
This one doesn't have a park record.
Starts.
Except the,
You then pull your lap bar down. This is hand controls only, no foot controls. Gotta have your parking brake on. What'd you think, Mr. Mills?
Definitely a lot smoother than a lot of the track Bobcats I've used before. I'm experienced using a T740, and that's a beast. But
What'd you think of the hand controls?
I liked it. The thing I liked the best was the isolation platform inside the machine.
Yeah.
The air ride platform is very comfortable. You guys can see when I was going in, I was digging and doing cutting of the grade. I mean, I felt like I was going to bounce around a lot, but it was really smooth, very comfortable. So definitely really like the T650.
Very nice.
Spencer, how are you liking the New Holland wheel loader?
It's not bad. It's very comfy. It's like somebody took the bastard child of a fighter jet and a nice car.
To be able to edit this will take great work.
Yeah, you might just want to do sensor bars for me, honestly.
Spencer enjoys his time in the New Holland wheel loader. He dabbed on them haters, I guess you could say.
USB, aux in, and SD card.
SD card?
Input. Yes.
Tunes, bro.
SD card. It's got a microphone, too.
Lodo
Yeah,
vlog.
you can hook it to your phone.
No.
I'm assuming it's Bluetooth as well because
Lodo vlog coming your way, guys.
it looks like you can.
Somebody did that last year, I know.
That was me. No, it was actually Megan Garrity, but yeah.
It's your fault.
Megan Garrity honked the horn at the Bobcat booth in front of children.
It's your fault.
Did you scare them?
Yes, she did.
She scared herself too.
She did. The only pusher you'll ever need.
Push her. I barely even know her. It's here.
Look my hair.
Sexy. Love
Should
it.
be a model.
You should be. So I can stand on my... Hey. Where are the other drugs going?
Don't worry about it. Get off my skid steer.
Okay. Hey, Jonathan. Jonathan. Open up. Push it real good.
Every day we stray further from God's light. Keeping that in.
I am.
Just feels like you're getting a mech.
An escape pod?
Or an escape pod.
Skid it?
No. Get out of here. Leave.
Get it?
Boy, I swear to God.
Let's drive this Toro grandstand.
I think you're gonna have a grand old time.
We're gonna have a grand time. This is gonna be a stand-up performance. All right.
Did you hear those puns? That's the Toro grandstand, right? I told Joe he's gonna have a grand time. He said it might be a stand-up performance.
You know, one of these days I'm gonna kill myself.
Make it super zoomed in, all I saw was your nose.
The thing is, it's not a joke, it's just a fact. Yes, damn it, now that song stuck in my head.
So because of what Xmark did with their new stander, would you consider going back to a Toro since it's similar to what it used to be?
Yes. I actually want you guys to run this because this is a very smooth machine. But not just that, it's very comfortable. This pad design is really nice to lean against, and I like the platform a little bit better than Wright and some of the other manufacturers. So just doing it like a quick short loop, it was really comfortable. I felt really secure on the platform, so I definitely want you guys to run it.